Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to secure your Yahoo email account. So once you're here in Yahoo, you're going to log in, and after that, you're going to click on your profile icon over here at the top right side. Then you're going to click on manage your account. Then you will be brought to this new page. Then you're going to click on security. And from here, you will see two-step verification. And if this is turned off, we're going to click on that and we're going to turn this on. So once you've turned on the two-step verification, what will happen is that every time that you're going to log in into your account, you're going to input your password, and after that, there will be a second step that you'll have to complete in order to verify that it was you who's logging in. So there are multiple methods for a two-step verification, which are the options over here. So you're just going to select an option that you'd like to use. It could either be a push notification, but for this one, you'll be needing the Yahoo application on another device. It could also be your phone number, or it could also be through an authenticator app or security key. So after you've selected an option, you're just going to follow the steps or the instructions on how you can turn on the two-step verification using any of this option. If you're using the push notification, of course, you're going to have to open the application in your phone or on your device. If you're going to use your phone number, then of course, you'll have to verify your phone number through a verification code. If you're using an authenticator app, you'll have to download the authenticator app on your phone. And if you're going to use a security key, you'll have to insert your hardware security key. So I hope this helps, and thanks for watching.